So here we're at British Heart Foundation in Southampton, and these are the latest washing machines. We've got a Zanussi ZWF12070W1. Bearings very smooth. This is an Indesit IWC 6145. $1,400 RPM, that's good. Eco time, sensor brush, extra rinse, delay timer, start pause. Bearing salve will sound very smooth. Here we've got a Bosch WAA24171GB. This is, well, it's a Max 6, 1200. Oops, draws a bit temperamental. Bearings sound good on this one. And lastly, we have a Whirlpool WFDD117168W. This is one of Whirlpool's newest machines. This is actually a washer dryer. Yeah, this is an inverter motor. And that's the 4 wash machines at British Heart Foundation Southampton. I'll see you later.